Search for some ebooks, upload them on the internet, and use this traffic source to generate extra money. I did it, you can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way, and I'll show you how you can get paid $200 per one upload. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience, and you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. And guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts to make sure to maximize your profits. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because that way you're not only helping me, but you're making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every month. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, we're gonna connect to InDigitalWorks.com. And this is a place where you can get high quality PLR products and you can feel good about selling to your customers. Basically, this place has ebooks, has free software, videos, templates, and you can use that and sell it to other people. You don't have to write your own ebooks. These guys have everything and you can download everything for free. They've got over 12,000 products, as you can see, and it will be very easy to work with them, and I'll just show you how. You can basically create an online store with this, but the reason why I dragged you here to this website is that you can download ebooks for free and you can sell them online. So basically, PLR stands for private label rights, so you don't have to pay for these ebooks that we're gonna download. You're just gonna download them for free and you're gonna make money. So for the first step, I need you guys to click on the register button over here, choose a plan on this site. As you can see, there are 4 plans, but of course I made this method totally, completely beginner friendly and free. So we're gonna just choose free membership over here, click on register, and you're all done. On the next page, of course, just make sure that this is free membership, so free, and then enter some basic information about yourself, your first name, last name, email address, which has to be valid because of the confirmation link they're gonna send you. Choose your password, complete this CAPTCHA, and you're all done. And once you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. And the next thing you have to do is click on the free product section over here and choose free ebooks. And here you will get plenty of options. You can choose any of these. The important thing is that you choose your niche and stick to it. They've got over 12,000 books over here, which are all free. And for example, let's just click on the content marketing boosters. And over here, you will have brief description of the book, its size, and every information that you need. But right now, you just need to click on the download button. And that will download that book directly into your computer, and we will save it for future use. And moving on to the second step of the method, I want you guys to connect to this platform, which is gonna prove tremendously helpful today in our initiative to make some money online. It is called Up Forever, and it is over at up/forever.com, and this is basically a file sharing free cloud storage. You can upload files here and grab a link to those files and send it to other people so they can download them. But this site is actually paying us. You can earn money with this site, and you can do it in different ways. You can do it by uploading files, and you can do it through referral program. As you can see, it is also available on Google Play, so it doesn't matter if you're using a computer or a mobile device, you can still earn money. And now I want you guys to click on the Make Money section over here so you can see more about it. And here we can see what is up forever. So basically, whenever someone downloads your files and the number is 1,000 downloads, you will generate money. But it isn't same for every country. For example, for Tier 1 countries, you can get $7 for each 1,000 downloads. Tier 2 is $4, Tier 3 is $4 as well, and Tier 4 is $3. As you can see, Tier 1 is United States, Canada, and we're gonna focus only on that because it's the highest rate here. And don't worry, it's not gonna be hard to get those 1,000 downloads because I'm gonna show you a strategy which you can use. And of course, they've got plenty of payment methods. As you can see, they have PayPal, Payeer. They also have Bitcoin and Ethereum, Skrill, so whichever you like, whichever you prefer, you can choose that. And one thing that is really sweet is that the minimum withdrawal is only $1. So that means as soon as you get $1, you can withdraw your money and get it sent straight into your account. The next thing I want to show you is their payment proof section over here. And here we can see that these guys are actually legit and that they pay their users indeed. And as you can see, they made over 40,000 payments so far, and the payment count is $240,000. So that's some crazy amount. And if we scroll a little bit down, we can see that people are withdrawing different amounts of money. So for example, $10, $4, $13. So whichever payment method you choose, you can withdraw as soon as you get $1. And as you can see, over 800 pages of these payment proofs. So that is pretty something. And now all we gotta do is make a brand new account on this website, and that is done through clicking on the sign up button over here. You just need to enter a basic information about yourself, such as username, password, email, and choose your payment info. Of course, that is optional. You can do it later on your dashboard, but what is important is that you enter in a valid email because they're gonna send you a confirmation link, and you need to click on that in order to start using your account here. And once you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. So basically, you have some information here, such as your storage space, your account type, and your affiliate link, and you can use this link to generate money as well. Just simply copy this link into your clipboard and paste it or send it to some of your friends, and when they do make an account here, you will earn some extra money, and that is some passive income. But the thing which we are here for mainly is uploading files. So what you gotta do now is click on Upload File section over here. And all you gotta do here is click on Choose File, and then you're gonna select that ebook that we have downloaded from in Digitalworks, and you're all set. So this is a book which we have downloaded. Now you just click on Start Upload, and in a matter of seconds it should be over there, and you are ready to start earning some money on this website. And guys, remember, you only need to invest your time. You don't have to pay anything. Everything is for free. And you don't need any experience with this, as it is completely beginner-friendly method. And so here is the download link. I want you to copy that into your clipboard, and we're gonna save it for future use. And for the third step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to reddit.com. And as you all know, Reddit is a place where people come and ask questions, and other people come to answer those. And this is a huge community. It generates a lot of traffic, and we're gonna take advantage of it. So basically, what I want you to do is to search for something like help for marketing. And we choose this because the book we have downloaded is in the marketing niche, and that is exactly why we are searching for this keyword here. If we choose something like, for example, example, dieting or cooking, we would be searching for that keyword over here. But since we are in the marketing niche, that's what we search right now. And if you scroll a little bit down, you will see that plenty of people are looking for some marketing tricks and tips. They're asking for help in marketing. And what you're gonna do is go to these questions, answer to those, something like, here's a great book which you can read and learn a lot about marketing. It helped me and it will help you as well. And you're gonna paste that link, that Up Forever link over there, and people will download that book. And that's how you're gonna generate money. And it's all passive, because when you answer to these questions once, it will stay there forever. And then other people will come and search through all of these questions and answers, and whoever comes and search for it, he will bump onto your answer and download that ebook again and again. And that's how you're gonna generate a lot of downloads and you're gonna earn a lot of money. So as you can see, guys, this is a free and simple method. No hard work required, no investments as well, and you can even start doing it right now. So the important thing is now that you take action and follow these steps and use your spare time wisely. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.